Hey lovers, it's Shani Grimmond and welcome back to the Bondi Sands YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys and I'm going to be using the Bondi Sands Aero Express. So let's get started.
First step is going in with some moisturizer on my hands, elbows, knees and feet. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's go into tan. So I'm going to take a dollop onto my mitt and I'm going to start with my legs. I always start down here and take it in circular motions to blend it out nice and evenly. It honestly takes 2 seconds to blend in as well because it is aerated, and as you can see, it is super dark straight away. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Then with whatever's left on the tanning mitt, I'll just go in on my feet and make sure it's blended out nice and evenly. And then we can move on to the stomach. So again, just that same technique, blending it in circles and then patting it down. So as you can see, we're starting from the bottom and working our way up. So now it's time for the arms. My tip to you would be avoid your elbows and your hands because we can go in with that at the end when there's not as much product on the mitt. But as you can see, with just one coat, the difference is absolutely insane. When you don't have much product on the mitt, then you can go over your elbows and hands just because those areas are obviously a little bit more dry, so it will grab the tan a little bit more than the rest of your body. And then we are all done.
Okay lovers, so I finished my tan, so I'm just going to go home and marinate for a couple of hours and then I'm going to rinse it off and I'll show you guys the results in the morning. Bye! Good morning. So I left my tan on for 2 hours last night and then I rinsed it off and I woke up nice and bronzy and I love how it looks. I love the Aero Express because I don't have to sleep in it, so I just leave it on for a couple of hours and then I'm good to go. It's really great when I'm unorganized because it is super quick and your tan looks amazing very fast. It's also really moisturizing because it has jojoba oil and vitamin E, which means my tan fades really evenly rather than patchy. This one's really lightweight, which means it dries super quick and it's really effortless to apply. Thanks so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you learned some fun tips and tricks. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Bondi Sands YouTube channel. Happy tanning lovers, bye!